Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I am going to show you how to activate cheat menu in GTA San Andreas. So let's get started. So first thing to do is, to rename all the GTA San Andreas folder from files. Just follow the steps given. Android. OBB. Scroll down until you find GTA folder. Rename it by adding any number at the end. Click back. Open data, scroll down until you find GTA folder. Rename it by adding any number at the end. Now uninstall the game. Now download the file from the link given below. Click on the file. Click on View and then install the APK. Now click on Scripts. Select all the files and copy it. Now open the GTA San Andreas files from the data and paste the script files in there. Now rename all the GTA San Andreas files from Android by removing one. Now you can enjoy the game. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.